Which way is to win the day? On this episode, we're doing chicken bacon ranch ash brown casserole. In your least steamed bowl, add your ash browns, sour cream, can of cheddar cheese, drizzle of spicy nacho, chicken, bacon, yummy ranch, crack cheese to her, mix it up, get your dish, crack grease to her, add your contents, make it right even to impress the missus. Top it off with fresh jalapenos. Put it in the oven on 350 for 40 minutes. See you in a bit. Can't even look at you. You're too beautiful. Having a sample. Pairs perfectly with a Diet Pepsi. Get it in you.